Hi there. We are GlobalDots, and we help IT teams like yours in deploying the latest cloud performance and cloud security technologies. If you've ever felt that the pace of technological changes is just too fast, or lacked time for research, test, and source new technology vendors, or if you're afraid of taking a wrong turn and locking yourself with just any provider, don't worry, because we can and we will help you out. After all, we're the specialists when it comes to cloud performance and security. We make your life easier by fastening the adoption of new technologies. On average, your IT team would need weeks, if not months, to scope, research, test, and deploy new technology vendors. But not us. We cut that time and cost nearly in half. A quick look at our tech shows where you can expect the best results. We're true specialists when it comes to delivering your content to end users, with contracts with every major vendor. That's right, we know exactly what kind of performance setup your business needs to reach your audience, faster and cheaper than ever before. Are you afraid of DDoS? Not sure if your WAF is enough? Bothered by bots stealing your bottom line and your data? Our cybersecurity specialists handle all those threats on a daily basis and have the experience of securing some of the most iconic brands on the internet. Yes, when your digital assets are with us, you can be assured about its safety. We've all come across those cloud bills that make your CEO and CFO worried. With GlobalDots, you can now start a journey to lower your cloud costs while keeping your infrastructure running at optimal performance. And that's just a fraction of the possibilities we can give to your IT team. So imagine what the full package would be like. Even if you're not running in the cloud, you can leverage our experience in building infrastructure for millions of users. We always know how to help our clients, no matter their size, budget, or needs. Are you still wondering if we're the right fit for you? Like we said earlier, we can help your company, no matter the size. We have serviced fast-growing startups as well as Fortune 500, so no company type is new for us. Make your IT faster with GlobalDots. Arrange a free consultation with one of our experts right here. GlobalDots.com.